All right, here it is, the long-awaited purple colorway of the Harbor Freight jack stands. These are pretty hard to find. I actually had to dig through the pile of jack stands at the store to try to find the last pair of these purple ones. I know that they're starting to make the floor jacks and the mini toolboxes in this purple color, and they just can't keep them on the shelves. So this was a super cool find for me. I just want to show everybody that is interested in these purple jack stands and put them in the light so you can see the color. Here you go. So it's a super nice, it's like a automotive grade paint on this thing. Super glossy, and it has all these flakes in it. It's a really nice color. And then these new jack stands, they have this rubber handle here. Because of all the memes, they now have the locking pin. And I think there's even another on the other side here. It's got a little kind of clip that goes through that pin to make sure your jack stand doesn't fall on you. But super nice jack stands. Really happy with these, especially for $35. I don't think you're gonna find a nicer looking, better quality jack stand for 35 bucks. So if you guys are at Harbor Freight and you're looking for these purple ones, I would highly recommend getting them if you see them.